Hello students, now in this lecture we see the BODMAS rule. Okay, B means bracket, O means of here it is indicates multiplication. Okay, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition and S means subtraction. Means what is meant by BODMAS rule? The rule that indicates the order of operation for simplifying numerical expression. Now see students, what is meant by BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule means पहले हमें क्या सॉल्व करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे देखिए आप बी पहले आया है तो हमें पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद ओ मीन्स यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. उसके बाद डिवीजन आया तो डिवीजन करना है. फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ए मीन्स एडिशन and S means subtraction. In that manner you have to solve the operation. एक साथ अगर कोई ये सब एक्सप्रेशन आते हैं, एडिशन आता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन आता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता है, डिवीजन आता है, तो सबसे पहले हमें ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है? उसके बाद हमें ऑफ मीन यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स सपोज यहाँ पे ऐसे है, इसे कहते हैं ऑफ. मीन्स ऑफ मीन्स क्या? 3 and 4 का क्या होगा यहाँ पे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ऑफ मीन्स क्या होगा यहाँ पे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. डी मीन्स हमें फिर उसके बाद डिवीजन सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन सॉल्व करना है. उसके बाद एडिशन आया तो एडिशन सॉल्व करना है. और उसके बाद सब्ट्रैक्शन सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टूड? Now we solve the examples of BODMAS rule. Okay. Suppose हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. एक्सरसाइज 2.1 का एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. हम फाइंड द वैल्यू. इसकी सपोज हमें स्टूडेंट वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते वक्त आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? पहले क्या सॉल्व करेंगे? ओके, द एग्जाम्पल इज 17 minus 8 plus 4 into 2. Okay. According to the BODMAS rule, what we first of all do students? Multiplication. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 17 minus 8 plus 8. उसके बाद क्या करना है हमें? स्टूडेंट सी, उसके बाद आप अगर सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो आप सब्ट्रैक्शन भी कर सकते हैं और फिर एडिशन भी कर सकते हैं. पहले यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन आया है, उसके बाद एडिशन आया है. लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू द BODMAS रूल व्हाट वी डू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल? एडिशन. 17 माइनस 8 कितना होता है? 25. 25 माइनस 8 इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स? इट इज द आंसर इज 17. अगर आप ऐसे करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, 17 माइनस 8 तो कहा कितना आता है? 9. उसके बाद यहाँ पे 9 प्लस 8 कितना होता है? 17. वी गेट द सेम आंसर. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी टर्न टू द नेक्स्ट. नाउ वी सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. सपोज हियर वी टेक द बी एग्जाम्पल. हियर 18 minus 7 plus 4 minus 5 plus 3. Here it is the one example. 18 minus 7 plus 4 minus 5 plus 3. According to the BODMAS rule, what we do here? 18 plus 4, addition. Okay. Here it is subtraction, here it is addition, here it is subtraction, again addition. First of all, we do the addition. 18 plus 4, how many? 18 plus 4, we get 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Okay. 25 minus 7 and minus 5. 25 minus 7, काउंटिंग करो पीछे आप. 25 minus 7 equal to 18. Okay. 18 minus 5 equal to 13. We get the answer 13. Understood? Now we turn to the next example. Now see the next example. What is the next example? 11 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 4. Now see students, here it is subtraction is there and uske baad division and after that addition. First of all we solve according to the BODMAS rule. We solve division. 9 divided by 3. 11 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. We get 3 plus 4. Understood? Now see. 11 minus 3, how many? You can do in this way also. 11 minus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. And suppose according to the BODMAS rule, 11 minus 5. 11 plus 4 equal to 15. 15 minus 3 equal to 12. We get 12. Understood? Now we turn to the next example. What is the next example? 22 multiplied by 8 divided by 4 multiply by 2. Now according to the BODMAS rule, first of all we do division. This is the sequence. After that multiplication. 8 divided by 4 equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 22 multiplied by 2 again 2. 22 twos are 44. 44 multiplied by 2 equal to 88. We get the answer. Now we turn to the next example. Example of E. In the E example, 50 divided by 10, there is division there. After that, minus 5, again subtraction, and after that, addition. First of all, according to the BODMAS rule, we do the addition. 50 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. We get 5. 5 minus 5 and after that 3. You can do the in this way also. 5 minus 5 0 plus 3. Otherwise you can do 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. We get the same answer. We turn to the next example. F. 82 plus 76 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. According to the BODMAS rule, what we do? We solve first of all division. Okay. 82, we write down first of all as it is. 82 plus 76 minus 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 4 into 2. Okay. After that, we do the multiplication. 82 plus 76 minus 4 twos are 8. Understood? What is the answer? Now first of all, we do the addition. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 158 minus 8 equal to 150. We get the answer is 150. Now students, we solve brackets. Okay. Simplify the following. Simplify. अब bracket solve करते हैं. First of all, 58 minus 48 divided by 6 of 8 minus 36 divided by 4 divided by 3 into 2. According to the BODMAS rule, what we first of all solve? Yes. First of all, 58 minus 48 divided by 6 of 8 minus 36 divided by 4 divided by 3 into 2. First of all, what we do, students? First of all, we solve the bracket. This is the type of which bracket is there? This bracket is round bracket. It is called round bracket. 58, write down 58 as it is, 48 as it is, divided by 6 of 8 minus 4, 36 divided for 4, how many? 4 nines are 36. That's why write down 9. And here it is, students, you can do 3 multiply by 2. Okay. Again here it is C. We can't do this. First of all, divided by 3 into 2. Understood? What is the next rule? After that, we do off. Off means kya? It indicates, off indicates multiplication. 58 minus 48 divided by 6 eights are how many? Here it is multiplication. 6 eights are 48 minus, after that what is, students? Division. 3 threes are 9. Understood? Multiply by 2. Now see, students, 48 divided by 48, how many? 48 ones are 48. 58 minus 1. Now do the multiplication. 3 twos are 6. Understood? 6. Now 58 minus 1, how many? 57. 57 minus 6 equal to 51. We get the answer 51. Understood? What is the answer, students? We get the answer 51. Now we turn to the next example. Okay, what is the next example? Now, again we check this example. See, 58 minus 48, 6 of 4, bracket first of all, sir, 4 nines are 36. Okay, we get the answer minus 9. Understood? Now 48, 6 of 48. 6 eights are 48. 48 ones are 48. 1. 3 twos are 6. Sorry. Yes, 3 threes are 9, and after that 3 twos are 6. Yes, we get the answer 51. Correct. Now we turn to the next example, students. $50 minus, in bracket, plus 12, round bracket, 2 of 4. Bracket complete. Now see, first of all, student, what is the rule? Now see, student, there are 2 brackets are there. First of all, we solve this inside bracket. Okay, 50 minus 5, write down as it is, 13 plus 12, and here it is 2 of 4 means यहाँ पे multiplication. 2 fours are 8. Understood? 2 fours are 8. And here it is plus 12. Bracket complete. 50 minus. Now see, student, first of all multiplication. 13 plus how many? 12 eights are 96. Understood? Now do this addition because bracket is there. 6 plus 3 9. 1 minus 1 plus 9 equal to 10. Now say student, here it is 50, here it is minus 109. What we do? 109 minus 50. Okay. 9, 50. And we do minus sign because 50 is smaller than 109. Got it, students? सी स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैथ्स की क्या करनी है? प्रैक्टिस करनी है। तो भाई आपको मैथ्स को अगर आपको फ्रेंड बनाना है तो आपको मैथ्स की क्या करनी पड़ेगी? प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी। कर रहे हैं ना आप? प्रैक्टिस करो और सब्सक्राइब भी करो। नाउ वी टर्न टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल। Now see student, first of all read the example. 12 minus 4 minus in bracket what is there? 6 minus, again bracket is there, 5 minus 5 minus 3 and bracket complete here. Okay, 5 minus 3, here is it is a bar. Now see student, first of all you solve this bracket. ये ब्रैकेट है पहले, उसके बाद ये है, उसके बाद ये है। सबसे पहले आपको यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस ब्रैकेट, आफ्टर दैट दिस ब्रैकेट एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस ब्रैकेट. अंडरस्टूड? एंड हियर इट इज बार ना, ये दिस बार indicates we have to solve first of all this. Okay, write down 12 as it is, bracket minus 4, again bracket 6 minus round bracket 5 minus 3 equal to how many? 2. Okay, bracket complete. Again now 12 minus, धीरे धीरे सॉल्व करना है स्टूडेंट्स. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay, 6 minus 3. What we do? 12 as it is, write down. Solve this bracket. 6 minus 3 equal to 3 minus 4. 12 minus 1 equal to 11. We have to check again. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. After that we solve this. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 4 minus 3, solve this bracket. 1 and 12 minus 1 equal to 11. We get 11. Got it, students? Now we solve the next example, D1. Okay, 84 divided by 8 plus 10 divided by 2 minus 1. First of all, what we solve according to the BODMAS rule, there is bracket. And first of all, division. Okay, 8 plus 10 divided by 2, how many? 5. 5 minus 1 in bracket. 84 divided by 5 minus 4 equal to how many, students? 4. 8 plus 4. Understood? Now solve this bracket. 84 divided by 8 4 plus how many? 12. Suppose we 8 plus 4 we count 4 ahead. We got 12. 12 divided by 84, 12. Read the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84. That's why the answer is 7. Got it? Students, you have to do practice more. Now we turn to the next example.